Alright, so we have garlic powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, cumin, black pepper, and salt. I'm going to combine 1 teaspoon of each of these, except for the cayenne pepper is half a teaspoon, into a bowl.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogtober day 28. I cannot believe that I have literally made it every single day so far in the month of October for Vlogtober. So I would like to go ahead and give a shout out to each and every one of you who helped support my channel in the month of October, but also who supports my channel on a daily. I cannot do it without you guys, and I honestly am so happy to have you here on my channel supporting me and getting to know me and what I like to do in my fun time, which is to cook and bake and also to just be C'Aira. So in today's video I'm going to be making white chicken chili, and I hope that you all enjoy.
Alright, and just basically mix all of these up. Alright, set that to the side. Alright, this is the part where we're going to go and wash this off. Alright, so your chicken breast goes at the bottom of your crock pot. Now we're going to sprinkle the seasonings over top of it. Alright, time to drain the Great Northern beans along with the corn. Alright, now you're going to top with the onion, the drained Great Northern beans, and the corn. Alright, now I'm going to add the entire container of chicken broth, which is the 32 ounce, to the crock pot. Alright, I'm going to put this on low for 6 to 8 hours, or until the chicken is fork tender. Let's put it on low. Okay, it's on low. Put our lid on. Wait 6 to 8 hours until that chicken is tender. So I will check back with this around 6 o'clock. Okay, y'all, I almost forgot to add in that rotel, diced tomato, and green chives. Alright, so it's almost been 6 hours. I'm going to take the chicken out. It's already shredding up in here. That's the thing. So it's not gonna come out of here. So we'll just go ahead and shred it up.
Pieces that I thought were too big, I put into this little small metal pan and just chopped it up the best way that I could and put it back into the crock pot. Now that the time has went up as far as the chicken and getting into shredding this chicken, it's now time to go ahead and add that 1 block of cream cheese. This right here is something that someone was wondering, why is this put into this dish, and I can honestly say it makes the white part of the chicken chili, and it is really good. You're also going to go in and add 1/4 cup of either heavy cream or you can add in just the regular cream, but it just needs to be 1/4 cup. So I used heavy whipping cream, and then you just let that sit for about 15 minutes on high. So the rest of your meal is going to be cooked on low, but for this part, once you add in that cream cheese and that heavy whipping cream, that is when you put it on high for 15 minutes, and then your food is going to be ready. The chicken is already shredded up, everything is good to go. And with it being on high, it helps the cream cheese to break down so much better. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching today's video. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button down below, and also joining me for tomorrow's video for Vlogtober day 29. I hope that you all try this recipe for yourself, because it is really delicious. It tastes just like the regular chili, once again, with a different type of meat.